What's going on? Meche, what's up? Kent, will you please talk to me?
I am taking her back to her mother's house.
Why?
She should talk to you herself.
Ada, what's the problem? Ada, take that luggage inside.
She's not taking any luggage inside.
Ada, take that luggage inside.
You don't understand what is just done.
Get me something cold to drink.
There is nothing to drink.
Meche, is it this serious? What did she do?
It's hard to forgive you now. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard.
Tell your mother what to do. You get what I said? Tell your mother what you did.
Let's go home. You're making me scared now. Let's go home. Adam, let's go home. Let's go home. Let's go home. Let's talk about it. Oh, Mambiko. Let's go home. You're scaring me. It's me. Oh, it's me. Get up. Let's go. Let's go. Mambiko. Get up. Oh, it's me. It's me, your mother. Oh, Mom.
Why did you cut off her 2 legs? Why did you show her that you are her husband? Amechi, have you suddenly become so soft that you cannot take vengeance again? Eh?
Nay, my head is full now. I just want to go home and rest.
Hey, Chelu, if you want me to send you to her mother's place to flog her, they will do it. I can assure you of that. Give me the permission to do that.
Hey, let me go.
Odogu.
Let me rest.
Adima, I will come to your house. In fact, I will deal with her. Hi! Adora! Okay, don't worry. I will see her. I will deal with her. I will show her that I am... In fact, nobody deals with our kindred like that and gets away scot-free. No matter rain or no rain. I will tell you. Listen, Adora, I will show you that in my family, you cannot try us.
What have I done wrong? Where have I offended you? God. I need to wake up from this dream. I need to wake up. I need to wake up. I need to wake up. Oh, God.
Mama, I just want to die. I want to die so I could end all this.
Is that the solution? Adora, did you fight with your husband? Eh? Adora, you have refused to tell me what the problem is. What happened between you and your husband? I don't know if you hide anything, this very thing, from everyone else. Does that include me, your own mother? Your flesh and blood? Adora, look at me. Tell me what the problem, so that I'll know how to handle it. Oh, you know your problem is my problem as well. Mama,
Leave me alone. Leave me, let me mourn my stupidity. Leave me. I want to die, Mama. I want to die. I want to die. Ew. Ew.
My in-law, thank God I met you. Can I come inside?
What is it?
Can I come inside? Let me talk to you about your wife.
I don't have a wife.
Tell us what happened. Then we will know how to go about it. Did you have any problem with your husband? Did he beat you? Is he planning to get another wife? Or did you catch him with another woman?
eaten since she came back.
I saw her husband yesterday with his uncle. I thought you should go and see him.
I've gone to see him already.
You did?
Yes. And he walked out on me without saying anything.
He did that too?
Yes.
No problem. I will see him.
Hi! Hey! Ewo! Ewo! Oya to bueno mo. Adore poche nike o. Amadi, do you know she never mentioned anything like that to us? She will never do. She can never mention it to you people. Listen, we are very busy people here. We have a lot of things to talk about than talk about an unfaithful woman. We don't have a time. Nico.
Amadi, say, if you want me to kneel down here, I am ready to kneel down.
I don't need it. Please, if there is anything we are to do or any ritual we are to perform to appease the gods, I am ready. So that we will settle this matter once. We don't need it. And I don't need it. Now listen to me. Very soon, we will come to you people and you will give us back the dowry we paid on our youth. It is finished. We don't want that kind of woman in our compound. Listen, warn her. We don't want her to step her foot in our compound or near my kindred again. Never. It is finished. She is a persona non grata. Good day.
Amadi.
Good day.
Did you see?
I am drenched in shame.
How do you mean?
Bam bam. My in-law. My in-law.
Good morning, sir.
Nene, what is it?
My in-law, my daughter came back yesterday with her luggage. And since that yesterday, she's been crying. I asked her what the problem is, but she refused to tell me.
She will not tell you. Mbano. She will never tell you. A dog like her can never talk about her foolery. It's not possible.
My in-law, I don't understand. My in-law, you just called my daughter a dog.
If she was not one, I wouldn't call her that. Nene, go and put your dog on the leash. Uludo! Kodo! Nkita ginunu. Get out of here. Suzupu. Azem, get out.
My daughter.
Wait. Hey! That's not what I'm thinking. Hey! Hey! You have to bomb. I don't want to kill. I don't have killed me. I don't bomb. Hey! Hey! Chibo! My daughter is dog. Chibo! Chibo! Fomo!
To this her action?
No, she came back yesterday. But even up to this moment I'm talking to you, she has not told me what the problem is.
But has your husband come to look for her?
No, but I want to go to the city to see him. At least to find out from him what happened. But I cannot leave her like this. She might die before I come back.
Whatever led to this, her action must be very, very serious. Mama, let me go home and cook first. I'll come back to see you.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you for your help. Jimmy. I don't want to tell me the truth. What did you do to your husband? What happened? I went to Amadi's house to ask him what happened. And he called you a dog. Is it what I'm thinking?
Mama, I'm sorry.
You are sorry. Adora, you said you are sorry. Is that all you could say to me? That you are sorry? While I am referred as the mother of a dog. What did I do to you? Adora, you failed me. Adora, you disappointed me in every way. What did I ever do to you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Forgive me, oh Lord. Forgive me, oh Lord. Forgive me, oh Lord, for I have sinned. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me, oh Lord. Forgive me, oh Lord. Forgive me, oh Lord. Forgive me. Forgive me, oh Lord. Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive. 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 Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me, Father. Forgive. Forgive me, Father.
Ada, where are you going to? Ada? Hey.
I don't know. I just want to get lost.
Ada, please. Stop doing this to yourself. Please. Oh? Aya, come. Let me take you home.
If I had known it would end up like this. If I had known.
You haven't told me what happened.
Oh.
Did he catch you with another man?
I messed up. I thought he had gone to Abuja.
So,
Baby, you look good. It's okay. You look good already.
I know. Okay, I want you to take care of yourself. And make sure you dress quickly so Dave will come take you, go see your mom and bring you back to the city before noon.
I will. Okay. I'll be ready before he comes back, okay?
It's okay.
Baby, please, do not stay long this time in Abuja. I don't want to miss you as I did the last time.
Once I'm done with the seminar, I'll fly back to Lagos.
Okay, please do.
Okay.
I'm missing you already.
I'll miss you too.
Well, let's go before you miss your flight.
Okay.
Alright, baby. Please hurry and come and devour me, okay? Yes, I can't wait for you to come back and give it to me. Be fast, the door will be open, okay? I'll be waiting. Alright. Oh, jeez. Let me hurry. Oh. and I fell into the arms of Nemesis, and it crushed me. Then the way when the night alone, when the sun rises daily on the mountain top. Dave, is that you? Dave! Now you want to start your usual drama. Have you dropped him already? I knew you would drop him fast so you can come and devour me. I just wish he dies in the air crash. Or don't you think so too? Well, I told him I was going to my mother's place before coming to the city. So you see, we have enough time for ourselves. We have the whole house for ourselves. I will lock you in here and devour you and work on you till you cry for help. Dave, what are you breaking? Dave?
Oh my God, this is trouble.
I know I've erred. I love my husband. I just need him to forgive me.
I advise you talk to one of his brothers or uncles so they can help you plead for forgiveness. Yes.
I'll try. I'll try.
What are you doing in this compound? What are you doing in this compound?
Before. I need you to help me talk to my husband and other members of this family. Talk to my husband to forgive me, please.
Do you want Annie to strike us dead? Eh? Get out of this house.
No, I love my kids. I love my husband. Please, I need him back. I need them back.
Adora, please, I don't want Annie to strike us dead. I beg you, leave our compound. Don't let Annie strike us dead. Please don't. Get out of this house. Now. I said get out!
I am still your daughter. Yes, I know I have failed you. But please, I need you to forgive me. I'm asking for your forgiveness.
Adora, go and ask God for forgiveness. Then you go to your husband and ask for his forgiveness as well. That is what you should do.
I just have to let you know, I just can't believe you can hurt me so. I've heard all you say, just go away. It's hard to forgive you now. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You made me sad and you
Honey!
treated me bad, but I still love you.
Honey!
Trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You made me sad and you treated me bad,
Honey!
but I still love you.
Honey, I know you are in there. Honey! 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 Honey, I came to ask for your forgiveness before I die. Honey?
But I still love you. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do.
Honey!
You made me sad and you treated me bad, but I still love you.
Honey, I will not leave here until you forgive me. Please forgive me.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Prostitute! Ajadu! Dog! What are you doing in this secret ground? With this your unclean body, will you get out of here before the count of 3? Hey! Hey! Get out of here! Hey! Dog! Hey! Hey! Ajadu! Prostitute! I know what to do to you.
But I still love you. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You made me sad and you treated me bad, but I still love you.
Major, don't tell me you are sad because of that prostitute. Listen to me. Get yourself together. Go back to the city and face your job.
I need to rest. I just need to put my head together.
Very well. When are we going to return her dowry?
I don't know.
Anyway, do you have some drinks in the house? Adima, let me go. I will get one. We will clear our heads together. Forget about it.
You treated me bad, but I still love you.
Honey. I know I am not worthy to be called your wife. But please, find it in your heart to forgive me, please.
Go home and
and forgive yourself.
You can't do it. Honey, please. Honey, please.
Nene, I have come to pick a date. Give us a date. We want to sever ties between my own nephew, Mechi, and your daughter, Adora. All the marriage rights, in fact, we want to finish everything. We are no more interested. Give us a date.
Come inside, let's talk about it. Oh?
No, Mbao, I'm not coming anywhere.
Uncle, who's it?
Who is your uncle? Give us a date. Okay, I'm coming tomorrow.
Uncle, please now. Mama, please, Mama, talk to him now. Uncle. A dream. I hope this will not come to pass. I hope this will not come to pass. My dream always come to pass.
And I do not think he will do a thing like that. He will put your kids into consideration.
If this ever happens, then I will live with the guilt all my life.
Ada, she had this dream because she was scared of losing your husband. This is just a dream.
I have disgraced my mother. I am not worthy to be called a mother.
No, you are wrong. I will advise you to stop lamenting and put these things in prayer. Pray.
Prayers. Will God ever answer my prayers? Really?
Yes, He will. He is a merciful God. He listens to prayers. It's okay.
Where is he? Look there.
Don't tell me things have gone worse.
Taz, I'm still finding it hard to believe that I got myself into this.
So after talking to Meche, he still did what he wanted.
You spoke to him already.
Never mind. Come to the car.
Are you sure that's the right thing? I don't want his trouble.
Don't worry. Just come to the car. Come.
Why did you bring this prostitute back to my house?
Do not use such words on your wife. She's not a prostitute. Why would you let anger ruin your family?
It's our infidelity that brought us to this point.
Nature, I'm disappointed in you. After talking to you, you still sent her packing.
Where's if you want us to talk, she should wait at the gate.
She will not stay at the gate!
Where is it? Don't worry, I'll be outside.
Amishi, you should be ashamed of yourself. Look at what you've turned your beautiful wife into. You've turned her brain upside down because of a single mistake.
Infidelity is not a mistake. It's a sin.
Amishi, I want you to forgive your wife. Can't you see she's sorry? Look at what's left of her.
I am done talking about this.
You walk out on me. Amishi walked out on me.
Lord, wash me with heap soap, and I will be whiter than a snow. What have I got in myself?
Adara.
Wash me.
Adara, it's okay, let's go. Adara, it's okay. It's okay.
You made me sad and you treated me bad, but I still love you.
Annie, I was just about coming to your house.
Hey, what is it?
My husband. One of his relatives just told me that he's about getting married to another wife. I don't want that to happen.
Hey, you believed him?
Yes. I don't know what to believe anymore. I don't want to take chances, okay? Now, this is what I want you to do for me. Go to his house. Tell him to forgive me. Tell him I love him. Tell him I'm sorry. Please.
Ada, my friend, do you think your husband can just wake up from his sleep and decide to marry another woman? Just like that?
You never can tell. You never can tell. I don't want to know. Just do as I said. Go to his house. Tell him to forgive me. Tell him I love him. Tell him I'm sorry.
You talk as if I've seen your husband before. I don't even know his house. I don't know the kind of person he is.
Don't worry. His house is at Umweze, the one along the city.
Yes, yes, I know. I heard it's from there, but I don't have enough money with me.
That's not a problem. I'll give you money, okay? I will. Start going now.
Okay, no problem. Just calm down. Let me quickly rush to the farm. Then we will see.
You want to still go to the farm again?
Yes.
Just don't do this to me now. I'm about to lose my husband. There's fire on the mountain. Please.
Ada, please calm down. Go home. When I'm done with the farm, I will see you.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Go home. Let me go to the farm first. Oh, your husband cannot get married to another woman. Don't think too much about that. Oh, Ada, go. I will come to you.
I'll be waiting. Please, I'll be waiting.
Adora, you have given me the shock of my life. Yeah, so.
Dave, have you greeted me today?
Sorry, Mom. You escaped my mind. Good morning, Mom.
Sorry for yourself.
Baby.
Rubbish.
Baby.
Yes, darling.
Please try and get prepared, okay? As soon as they drop me off at the airport, come and pick you.
Okay, I will do that immediately I take my bath.
It's okay. Please prepare insala soup for me. I will fly in before 12 tomorrow.
Alright, darling, I will.
Insala soup is what I like.
I will do that.
And don't forget to give the remaining food stuff to my brother Madi.
Oh, that I've already called them to come and pick it up.
It's okay.
Oh, baby, I'm gonna miss you so much.
I miss you too.
Please don't stay too long, okay?
It's okay. I'll see you.
Alright,
Okay? Take care.
Bye. Miss you.
And the way when the night alone, when the sun rises daily on the mountain top. Dave, is that you? Dave!
Now you want to start your usual drama. Have you dropped him already?
I knew you would drop in fast so you can come and devour me. I just wish he dies in the air crash. But don't you think so too? Well, I told him I was going to my mother's place before coming to the city. So you see, we have enough time for ourselves. We have the whole house for ourselves. I will lock you in here and devour you and work on you till you cry for help. Dave, what are you breaking?
Look, if you want to call me, come and do it fast and have it quickly.
Dave?
So this is real.
Sir, are we not going to the airport again? It's almost 10 o'clock.
Can you remember how you became my driver?
Yes, sir. I lost my job at the club and you hurt me.
Do you think it's good to pay back good thing with evil?
No, sir.
But you've done that.
I don't understand, sir.
How many times have you slept with my wife?
What?
If you lie to me, I am going to kill you. And no one will know where I bury you. How many times have you slept with my wife?
Here in the village,
How many times have you slept with my wife?
Sorry, sir. It won't happen again, sir. Forgive me, sir.
Get out of my sight.
I'm sorry, sir. Forgive me, sir.
Out!
Sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
I just have to let you know. I just can't believe you can hurt me so. I've heard all you say. Just go away. It's hard to forgive you now. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You made me sad and you treated me bad, but I still love you. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You made me sad and you treated me bad, but I still love you.
Please, forgive me. Go ahead, beat me, punish me, do me whatever you like. But please, forgive me. I beg you, please.
I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard.
So you want me dead?
No. Forgive me. I'm guilty. Please forgive me. Thank you.
To forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You made me sad and you treated me bad, but I still
It's okay.
love you.
It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I will never forgive you. Never! Do not touch me. How long has it been happening?
Just 3 times. And it will never happen again, I promise. Never. Please just forgive me. Please.
Pack your things and be fast about that. Meet me outside.
I just have to let you know. I just can't believe you can hurt me so. I've heard all you say. Just go away.
What is going on? Meche, what's up? Okay, so will you please talk to me?
I am taking her back to her mother's house.
Why?
She should talk to you herself.
Ada, what's the problem? Ada, take that luggage inside.
She's not taking any luggage inside.
Ada, take that luggage inside.
You don't understand what you've just done.
Get me something cold to drink.
There is nothing to drink.
Meche, is it this serious? What did she do?
It's hard to forgive you now. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You make me sad.
Agaba. Yeah, all is set now. And you have keg of palm wine, all the drinks, everything. I have everything arranged.
Oh, good day, sir. Amici, please, I want to talk to you alone. Very important.
Young man, don't you realize that we are in a meeting? A family meeting at that too. A very important one at that.
You are here to devise how to divorce his wife. So how is that meeting important?
Do you know what he did? Do you?
Amici, can you hear that? Can you hear your uncle? This is how he will go about telling people about your wife.
Do you realize who you are talking to?
I can see it very clearly. I am talking to an elderly man who cannot behave himself. Behave like one.
Now I know you have come here to insult me. But I will not allow it. Amechi, don't worry. I am in charge. Forget about this small rat. Who does this? He's not a member of our family. He knows not. Don't worry.
This man is not helping you. Amici, can you remember when you married? When you just got married? How things were with you? Can you remember how Adora sold oranges? Did menial jobs just to feed you? Amici, can you remember the past?
How do I get to your husband's house? When you get to Moise, you see a Catholic church by the roadside. His house is along the Catholic church. Okay?
It's okay. I'll go there today. Expect good news from me.
I will be waiting. I can't wait.
Come here.
Oh, thank you.
It's okay.
You're such a good friend.
And you too.
Let me start going.
Okay.
How did you find her?
Can I come in?
What do I offer you?
Nothing for now.
What?
Where is your wife?
I don't want to talk about her now.
Because she slept with your driver.
And who on earth will do such? Tell me, who on earth will forgive that? I provided her with everything. I satisfy her on the bed. Why my driver? Why?
No real man will want the whole world to hear about this. She remembered the saying that goes, no one will want to wash his dirty in a public place.
If you're here to ask me to forgive her, I will not do that.
Adora has tried to commit suicide severally. And if she dies, her blood will be on your head. Has any of your relatives told you how terrible their wives are? No, because they all want to see you unhappy. I'm sure they'll be laughing at you by now. Stay safe.
I just have to let you know, I just can't believe you can hurt me so. I've heard all you say, just go away. It's hard to forgive you now. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You made me sad and you treated me bad.
I have to forgive my wife. Just have to forgive my wife. Do you think I should forgive her?
Emma?
Day.
Where are you coming from?
I was actually going to your house.
Why is your face looking like this?
Day. Adora is a good woman.
No unfaithful woman is a good woman.
There you're wrong. Adora was there for me when things were hard.
So what are you insinuating? Listen to me. Akaba, I've started plans. In fact, I've made plans to get you another wife. And once she comes in, everything about Adora is forgotten. Forgotten forever. Trust me.
I still love you.
You are forgiving her. You are forgiving her. You are forgiving a woman who slept with your own driver. Boy. I knew it. I knew she was going to charm you. I knew she was going to manipulate you with her charms. But Mba, I will not allow it. Now let me tell you one thing. That lady will, Adora will never step her foot in our household again. Never. Never.
Day, can you listen to me? They have made up my mind to forgive her. And I want to go and let her know that I've really forgiven her from my heart.
And I want to make you understand that what she committed is a sacrilege, an abomination, and it can kill us. Can kill you, kill every member of our family. If you allow that woman to come back to you. What she committed is a sacrilege, an abomination. It's not done. It's not done. Be warned.
You still haven't answered my question, Nisha. Where is your wife? So all the advice I gave to you fell on deaf ears.
Metro, this is a family issue. I want to handle it my way.
What are you trying to say?
I don't need any interference on this.
Really? You don't need any interference on this. But you allowed your family members to encourage you to send your wife home. Do you realize that any insult to your wife is an insult to you?
Metro, why are you carrying this thing on your head?
Why? Let me refresh your memory in case you've forgotten. 2 years ago, my wife did the same thing. You, Nature, my good friend, advised me not to wash my dirty linen outside, in public. God, don't let this happen to me. Don't let this happen to me. Oh God, please don't let this happen to me. Where will Ameche, look at me. Oh. If he wants to kill me, if one wants to kill me, she is missing and her phone is switched off. Yes! Oh, I should go to the station. Okay, I will do just that. Okay, thank you. I will go to the police station. Okay. Tony!
She's not yet back.
Tony, she is not back. Oh. I'm even going to the police station to go and make entry. I am confused. I don't know what to do.
Hi. That means I will go with you.
Okay. In fact, come now! Hello? DPO? Any news? I have done that. I even contacted her relative. She's nowhere to be found. Nowhere to be found. Okay, when did you want me to come to the station? When? 10 o'clock. DPO, by 10 o'clock. If I before 10, I'll be there. I'll be there. Okay, thank you. Number is still saying switched off. Where could she be? Ify, I hope you are okay wherever you are. It's still saying switched off.
Just go away. It's hard to
Ify.
Good morning.
What is good about this money?
Are you alright?
I asked you a question. Do not make me repeat myself. Once I get angry, I will lose it. Now, where on earth are you coming from?
I went to get some money from Tony for our rent. The landlord came yesterday morning when you went out.
How dare you lie to me?
Don't see me. I'm not lying to you. I went to lend money from Tony for our rent. I'm not lying.
So you went to see Tony and he gave you my rent?
You can call him. Ask him. I'm not lying.
I see. I see.
Hello, Tony, I just messed up. See, if my husband should ask you anything, just tell him you lent me some money. Hello, Tony. Oh, Tony, thank you very much. Yes, thank you for the money, thank you. My husband is happy, he is grateful. Alright, God bless him. Okay, bye. Hey, Tony. Why are you looking at me like that? I thought you were going to ask me to give the phone to you so you could thank him.
Ify, have I ever laid my hands on you before?
No.
I wouldn't want to. Because if I do, I will make sure I flatten your head to the floor if you don't tell me the truth.
What truth are you asking of me? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Are you suspecting I slept with another man? How could you? How could you think of a thing like that? This is not fair. You just ruined my day.
Ify, I'm the one whose day is ruined here. Now, start talking.
Now I know you are very ungrateful. Stay hungry in this house just to prove to you I am a good one. And all you could do is suspect me of sleeping with another man.
Who did you sleep with, Ify?
Stop it!
Who is the man?
Stop it! I can't take this insult anymore.
Don't fuck away from me! Ify! Did you just slap me? Did you just slap me? Was that a kind of pretense or what?
This is not fair. You've lived with your wife for 3 years. Yet you can't tell what she can do or not.
Accusing her of infidelity is disheartening.
I have lived with him in hard time and in good time. I smoke Gary because of him. EJ, look at me. Was I like this? I fade away every day because I married a man that cannot take care of me. And now, he's accusing me of cheating. My husband is accusing me of sleeping with another man. God will judge you.
Look at her now. It's not fair. Please apologize to her.
EJ, she's your friend. Tell her to tell you where she went to, since she invited you here.
This is not fair, Boise. Apologize to your wife.
I want her to tell you where she got the money from.
I don't want you to be this hardened, Boise. What's there in saying sorry? If she's the one that accused you wrongly, everybody will know about it.
I told you Tony gave the money to me. Is that too hard for you to understand?
Yes, she said Tony gave her the money.
I want her to say it to your hearing.
Uncle, good evening.
Tony, you're welcome.
Sister, you called me. You know, there was network problem. I don't know. I wasn't hearing you. See, Mama is very angry with you. Mama said you should start coming to the village. Now or go now.
Go inside and wait for me.
Huh?
I said go inside.
Tony, please, before you go inside. How much did you give to your sister?
5th of December. 50 cents. I don't understand. What do you mean by how much? See, I'm even here to collect money. I don't know what you people are talking about.
Tony, you not answer my question. Please answer me. Did you give your sister any money today?
I did not give her any money. Today, yesterday and forever. Yesterday and even last year, I did not give her any money. What is the problem?
Ifeoma, what kind of embarrassment is this?
What's no embarrassment?
Please, Boise, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive my ignorance. See, I know nothing about this.
EJ, get out of my house. And when you get home, tell your husband what you did. Get out!
I'm sorry, please. Just...
Why? Get out. Get out, get out. What's the... Sister, what is the problem? I'm hearing get out everywhere. It's today. Get out there.
Tony.
Uncle?
Get out.
Are you talking to me?
Get out!
Get out. I'm getting out.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
Ifeoma. Ife. Start talking now. Start talking!
I went to collect and borrow money from Brown. He told me to.
If you had waited for me instead of marrying that broke-ass Boise, I'm sure you'd have been swimming in affluence.
Brown, please. Don't make me feel sad about him. I've had enough already.
So how much are we talking about here?
200,000.
Can you imagine? 200,000 naira. Such paltry sum. I'll give it to you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. What?
You have to stop this move. It is not right.
But I'm your ex. And like they say, old firewood.
I am married. I belong to another. Is this your price for the money?
Ah, come on. Don't sound that way. If I didn't want to give you the money, I won't ask you to come. Yeah, you can, but I'll have to go and withdraw the money from ATM. But first, go somewhere and pick something.
Where are we going?
Calm down. Just calm down, okay? Calm down. Still same old iffy.
Take your drink.
See, I am not comfortable here. Someone might see us.
Iffy, nobody will see us here. Okay?
It's already getting late. Can we go to the ATM?
Calm down, okay? Just calm down. We'll go later, eh? Cross my heart. We'll go later. Enjoy your drink.
You know I am not a fan of alcohol.
Ifoma. A bottle will not do you any harm, okay? It's good for your body. Okay, let me be something. Just a little bit, okay? You enjoy it. Hey, come on now, look at your face.
Okay. Do you know you're very funny?
Really?
Look at you.
What about
See, doesn't matter if a woman is on top or if it's a man that is on top. It doesn't matter as long as they're doing something.
It does. You see, the later is better and sweeter.
Better and sweeter indeed. You want to turn me on. I know.
You like it at the end of the day. Sorry. I got damn it.
Mama.
Hey baby, you're finally awake.
What happened? No. Tell me you did not do it. Tell me you didn't touch me.
But you asked me to do it. As a matter of fact, you forced me to making you feel like a real woman.
Oh my God.
Hey! Come on, Kai, come on! It's midnight already.
Where's my phone?
Come on.
Your husband was calling while we were in the heat of passion. And I had to switch off.
You did what?
Switch off the phone.
Why did you do that? Why?
You were calling me names. We were in the heat of passion. Blessing me with all sort of names.
Oh, you just shut up!
Call me, kill me.
Shut up! What do I do? You've killed me. What will I tell my husband now?
Hey, baby. Come on, look at me. Look at me. Telling you waiting for a vigil. Vigil.
Brother, shut up!
Vigil.
I wish what I did myself into.
Hey, baby. Hey. You're dressed already. I thought you'd have stayed a little longer so that we can rumble.
Oh, please. Do you have a conscience? Do you realize I have broken my marriage vow? I just cheated on my husband.
But come on, you're sleeping with your ex, Sane. Tell me. It's brown. You're brown.
I just feel like leaving my body entirely.
To where? Leaving your body to where? Okay. Wait, I will say it again.
Are you alright? Are you mad? I am here thinking of what to tell my husband and you're asking me that silly question.
You sound as if you owe him your life. Do you?
Can I have the money now?
The money? Yeah, you can. You have the money. We'll go to one of these Indian places and I'll give you.
I just have to let you know I just can't believe you can hurt me so. I've heard all you say, just go away. It's hard to forgive you now. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You made me sad and you treated me bad, but I still love you. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You made me sad and you treated me bad.
Don't worry, we'll talk about it. Show me right. What are we gonna pick? You brought back beautiful old memories. I'll call you tomorrow so that we can hang out.
I will never sit on the same table with you again. Never.
I promise to give you more money. You will see tomorrow.
Is that your trap? Well, sorry to disappoint. I do not need your money.
I do not need your money. You come back again. All right.
God, please save me. Please save me from this and it will never happen again.
That was how it happened. I did not plan for it to happen that way, honey. I'm sorry.
No wonder. All those midnight calls. Midnight chats. Boise, you are done.
Brown, I have told you not to call me by this late hour. My husband is beginning to suspect me.
Whoever you are, don't you ever call this number again. She's a married woman.
And what was the meaning of that?
Just shut up. Shut up. Who was that man calling you by this time?
That was Tony. He called to tell me Mama is sick.
Tony. And you have to take the call in the toilet. You think I'm a little boy?
You're ridiculous.
What did you say?
I hope you're not suspecting I am cheating.
Baby, good morning. Are you still angry with me? If you come on now, I was just jealous. It's okay now, baby. I was just jealous.
Please leave me. I should be jumping up and down that my husband is suspecting I'm seeing another man.
I'm sorry now. If I'm sorry, it's okay now.
Stop it.
It's okay.
Stop.
It's okay. I'm sorry. Forgive me. I was just jealous. That was... all this happened under my nose. Ifoma, and I loved you with all my heart. Women.
Please forgive me, please. Please.
Ifoma, I do not want to set my eyes on you again.
Honey, please, I'm sorry. Honey, I'm sorry. Honey, please, I'm sorry. Honey, I love you so much. I love you that I can do anything to make you happy.
You love me? If you love me,
I did not want the landlord to embarrass you. I've not been myself since that night. I woke up and saw you crying.
Where is that good for nothing man? Where is he? Where is he? That good for nothing man. Where is he? Nonsense. You are hiding, Abi. Ah, you are hiding.
I got landlord.
Where's my rent?
Your rent? I will pay.
You will pay?
Yes.
That is what you continue telling me. Come on, 200,000 naira. You are telling me you will pay. For how long now?
No.
As big as you are, like elephant. Come on, 200,000, you can't pay. You are telling me I pay. And you are there running up and down, hiding.
I'm not hiding. I was just relaxing.
Relaxing?
Yes.
And you are peeping inside your own house?
No, I was observing. You know,
you are observing? Is there any cinema there?
No. Landlord, but try to understand. See, times are hard.
Then put water. Let it soft.
The water I want to put on it is the bottling company. After the interview, 3 months now, they not called me.
Why can't you die and leave the company water? Die! You don't have money, die!
Well, if I die, who will pay your house rent? Landlord, see, you've been a nice man. You've been a nice man. You've condoned me enough in this house. But the fact is that you will still help me as your son. You will still help me.
But you pay me my money.
I'll pay you.
Well, you pay me my money today.
The house, I'll pay today.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow, you pay me my money. Let's go. You pay me. A nice man. 200,000. You are running away from me. Bakery and plantain chips are the same thing. Plantain chips are packaging. Now so you're gonna do like this gang and get the money. Nonsense. See as you get like a liar. You are going to pay me my money. Why are you scratching your head as if there is ATM in your pay? Where's my money?
I have some money. Yes, I'll give it to you now. But by month end, I will pay you the whole money. But the money I have inside the house is 1,500.
Is it
1,500 naira.
1,500 out of 200,000 naira. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself? I have told you, if I come here tomorrow and my money is not completed, you will see what I will do to you. In fact, you are going to pack out. Nonsense!
Okay, no, please. The entire neighbor will hear that I'm owing you money.
Are you not owing me money?
I am owing you money, but the way...
I've told you, Ibekere and plantain chips are the same thing. Now, you see, now like this you do. That is why you don't have money. Package, I get money. Look at how tall you are. When they call men, you come outside. I am a man.
Honey, what is it?
For how long do we continue like this? The house rent has expired and I don't have a kobo to pay my rent. My mother is sick. I can't even take care of her.
Honey, I have told you to relax. The bottling company will call you soon.
The bottling company? That one. It's been 3 months now after the interview. They have not called me. How long can we continue to live like this?
I'm not complaining, am I? Don't worry. Once I get my salary, I will give part of it to the landlord. Everything will be fine.
Thank you very much, my love.
If we had enough, we would have paid the landlord.
Poverty. Poverty shall not be well with you.
Please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me.
Go outside.
Please. Please forgive me.
If you have said go outside before I break your neck.
I'm sorry.
If you get out!
Please, that's what to do.
Don't move! Get out! Leave my house! Go! Leave my house! I don't want to see you again. If you please, I'm begging you. Please, I'm sorry. Please leave my house. If you please, I'm begging you. Please leave my house. I'm sorry. Leave my house. Please, if you leave me alone, don't come and leave me.
Please, I'll make it up to you.
Hello? Hello? She's here. I don't know. I don't know. No, don't bother. Don't bother yourself. Before you get here, she will leave. You won't meet her before you go. When you come, you will not meet her. Don't bother. No, make sure, please. I'm a man. Leave me alone and let me take the decision. And I will stand by the decision. You say what? Okay. Please leave me alone. See, I will kill you myself. I'm losing it. I said I'm losing it. Leave here. Must I have the whole world to please you? Must I have the whole world to please you? Leave me alone. You cannot kill me. My mother did it.
Honey, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Poverty, God will punish you. Ah, no. My wife went to sleep with another man because of money. Hey! Where is it? Ah, no, this is painful. Another man entered my wife. Hey! I'm feeling it. Feeling it. Hey! If you are no, another man entered my wife. Ah! Hey! Oh, poverty. Another man entered my wife. If you, because of poverty, you did this to me. Oh, poverty, God will punish you. My God will punish poverty. Because of money, if you went to sleep with another man. Another man entered my woman, and he probably did it more than I do. Hey, another man entered my wife. Hey, another man entered my wife. Hey, if Oma, oh, this is painful. Hey, I'm feeling it. This is painful.
Why are you not wearing your clothes? What's the problem?
I'm feeling it. Ify has given me the heat of my life.
Uncle, calm down. Calm down. It's well. At least wear your clothes. We are wearing the back.
Don't worry.
Should I come with you?
No, I have to see Meche. Very important. Let me see Meche.
Let me come with you now.
No, don't worry. I can handle this.
Why? Women.
Because of money. Ifoma. My wife cheated on me because of money.
Chineke, please, no matter what it is, I want you to forgive your wife.
Forgive her? You don't know how it hurts. You don't know the pains I'm going through. I should forgive her for sleeping with another man. Ifoma, because of money.
Please, just calm down. Okay? Calm down. You're a man.
Her body. Hey, another man entered her body. I know.
Stop thinking about it. When you think it, once you think it hurts you more. Okay? It's your wife, and it is gonna stop it.
It's painful. She's painful.
You just have to make money. It's okay. Now take a deep breath. Just calm down. Tell yourself.
But it's painful. No. Okay.
I know it hurts, but you just have to forgive. For the sake of God. Okay? Just calm down.
I mentioned because of you.
No, because of God first.
Because of God?
First. Okay? And do it for me, your friend.
Okay?
I
will. Come on. Get something. Okay.
I just have to let you know I just can't believe you can hurt me made me sad and you treated me bad, but I still love you. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You made me sad and you treated me bad, but I still love you.
I'm sorry.
Chibueze, your wife did not sleep with your driver. Did she?
But she slept with another man.
And what did you say? Forgive her. And I did. Why don't you want to heed to my advice? Even the Holy Bible says we should forgive. Nobody knows when death will come. What if death calls to you?
Chibueze, I am not dying tonight.
Saying you are going to die, Major. All I am saying is that you should be ready. And being ready means having a clean heart.
I've heard what you said. I will think about it.
Separation is a terrible thing, my guy.
What do you want to ask me?
Do you still love your wife?
Why do you ask?
Because I want to know.
What?
Major, do the needful.
Ada, one bad thing cannot take away the good woman in you.
I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You made me sad and you treated me bad, but I still love you. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You made me sad and you treated me bad, but I still love you. I just have to let you know, I just can't believe you can hurt me so. I've heard all you say, just go away. It's hard to forgive you now.
Wash me with hips of blood.
Ada?
And I'll be whiter than the snow.
Ada?
Lord.
Ada?
Wash me with hips of blood and I'll be whiter than the snow. Lord. Wash me with hips of blood.
I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do.
Amechi. Meche. See, don't good afternoon me. Listen. See, I just saw your wife right now. You need to see. Yes. See, you are a man. You are a real man. Your wife is going insane. Yes. Thank you very much. You are a real man. Yes, thank you. Say what?
Okay. Okay.
I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do.
Meche, I forgive you for not forgiving me.
Odogu. Now, Lafuonwe, keep deceiving yourself. You want to kill yourself? Go ahead. Oh, I should help you. Let me help you. No! Oh, you don't want to? No! So that I'll do it faster for you.
What is that stupid thing you're trying to do? What is that?
If you do not forgive me, then I will kill myself.
Don't just try that nonsense.
Stay back.
No, please, I will forgive you. I forgive you. Please, don't do it. Please, please, please don't do it, please.
Stay back.
Please. Please, I forgive you from my heart. I forgive you. I forgive you, my wife. I forgive you. Please. Don't do it. I love you.
I love you too. I'm sorry.
I love my wife.
I just can't believe you can hurt me so. I've heard all you say. Just go away. It's hard to forgive you now. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so
Honey? Ah, you are getting set already. Are you going up now?
Dave, is there any problem? Is there anything you want to tell me?
Mba. This is Apollo. Remember the lady I told you? I will bring to you and then you will marry her. This is Apollo. She looks Apollo-cious.
There, as you can see, this is my wife. I am not interested in Apollo or Apo, whatever you call her. Please take her back wherever you brought her from.
Adora,
Uncle.
I can see that you have used charm.
I said go with your Apollo, because if I go in there, if I get my gun, wagon Apollo straight away. Eh? Oh, you'll see there? Okay.
No, come and stay. Indiala. Rubbish.
Right there. Are they still there?
Yeah, I'm gone.
Stupid.
Indiala.
In fact, honey, see, I don't think we should go out anymore.
Why? I'm dressed up already.
Come on, I just want us to stay here and enjoy ourselves. Okay? That's what I got in my spirit.
Okay, that wouldn't be a bad idea as well.
There you go. Wait for me, I'm coming.
Where is he going to? Okay, I'm waiting.
Gross.
So,
cheers to
long life, peace, love,
endless love,
prosperity, God's love.
God's love. And that's all.
You sure?
Anyways, honey.
Right.
Now, honey, is there anything you want me to do for you to make you happy for the rest of my life?
Just wanted to be my wife. Wish you've always been. You are the best wife in the whole world.
No. I think you, my husband, is the best husband in this life and in the next life to come. I want to thank you for everything. I want to thank you for loving me even when I...
Love you. I love you so much and you're the best.
I love you too, my king. My hero.
Okay, we're gonna do
I missed this.
Devil's Maybach now, yeah?
Okay.
Name 5 guys' name.
Ah, what's that? I can't.
Just mention 5. 1, 2, 3, go.
Meche.
No, you have to take more. You have to take.
I can't get this.
Finish it once. Just finish it once.
Oh my king, you can't do this.
Finish
I can't
it once.
do.
Finish it once.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let me help you.
Oh my king, I've missed us. Are you for real? Let me bring more for you then. My king! My king!